going on, guys? Here we're gonna do a small cruise up the coast. Obviously social distancing at its best here, but definitely got to get out of the house, go take a little drive, just driving and coming back. So hopefully you guys enjoy the vids. Nice scenes, scenic routes. We made a quick stop at 808 Pokey. I'm going to do a drive-through for everybody because that's the only thing we can do right now is drive-through. So luckily they still offer that. But nice lineup here. Figured out. All right, so we got the drive-through order here at 808 Pokey.
All
right, guys.
And put bits on it.
808 Pokey. Just a little run here. What do you? First bite? Have you had it yet?
I've had it before.
Oh, okay, okay. Who hasn't had it?
I haven't had it before.
All right, what are you guys thinking? Let's see. Let's get the first bite.
Get that first bite in. Hold on, give me some.
Let's get those impressions.
Good.
Good. I haven't had a good book in a minute.
Yeah, man. Definitely my favorite spot to go to. 100%. I would eat on the wing, but you know, it is hot as hell over here in Japan right now. Super humid, so car's looking good though. Right before our cruise, eat some food, fill up, gas up, drink up.
Oh yeah.
Good to go.
That guy can never get it on the first try. Never.
Little quick stop at Lawson's here. Gonna get some drinks before we head out on the cruise. Everybody's just pulling in.
I caught you on this video. Never get it on the first try.
Boy Gio, hit him up on his YouTube. He's gonna send me a sick clip today. Alright, we just pulled up to one of the stops here. Really nice little spot here just to kind of park, check out the scenery. Really nice day. Again, it's a little hot, but there is a nice breeze, so it's gonna be Kyle's last cruise. He has that black R33 GTR, looking sick. Love the white wheels, super concave, looks nice. Jason's EVO out here looking sick, just polished up the front intercooler, looking really good. Also got the Tokyo plates, as you guys can see. He was digging it, picked it up, looks nice. PowerRails from Carbonetics just came in. Made it all the way to Japan from Australia. Gonna open them up, check them out, make sure everything lines up, bolts up, then get it on the car. Alright guys, so just finished up cleaning up the interior. I actually haven't vacuumed the car since I bought it, but these seats are amazing. The rails fit perfectly. There are absolutely no issues. Shout outs to Carbonetics for hooking me up with these seat rails at a great price. So if you guys need anything, especially carbon fiber pieces, definitely hit them up. I have my GTR carbon fiber wing coming in. They made it to order, so it's gonna take a couple weeks out here. Even with everything going on right now, the COVID, all that stuff, they're still shipping parts out, still hooking it up. So shout out to them for sure. Go check them out, pick some stuff up. But again, with these seats, absolutely love them. I've never had aftermarket seats before, so driving around in them, getting the feel for it, absolutely love it. Definitely a game changer. The seat rails are nice. The way they're positioned are really good. They sit a little bit higher than the stock ones, so shifting and everything is actually a lot smoother. The field of view for the interior, you know, see, I sit up taller, so it's nice. The steering wheel, seat placement, all that stuff's awesome. So really happy with the rails for sure. So again, check them out. Appreciate you guys watching the video, and we'll keep knocking them out. Check you guys next time.